Hello guys, so today I will show you a really good thumbnail text making app. You can also use it for any kind of photo editing and all that. So subscribe to me and now I'll show you my screen. Here's the app, and the app is actually called TJ. So guys, I forgot to show you on the how to make text things. Here I write text one, right. Actually I already wrote, so choose the fonts and I made this one. Material, you already saw the other stuff, and here with iron, and then made it red. I made this one gray, and then did the form, like this and all that, and this makes an outline. But I'm gonna make it fully not there. I'm gonna keep it like that, and then text too. Same thing, slide form, and then forms do this, by the way, change up the places, and then I forgot to show you the text, how to do stuff on it before. Sorry, it was like this before. Audio, you can put high down, and there's what's it. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's go to image, show. See down this one. I'll just show you. See mask 1, mask 2. Let's go with this for now. Change it a bit here. Yeah, actually I don't want it. I'll just go with object and then wings. Now I'll change the material to iron as the text, and then I'm gonna make it red. And now you can see, you see this, I'll do stuff to get it in all that. 1 second, let me just so the time you want it for, I'm gonna make it for example only 1 minute and 0 seconds. Though I'm not gonna start it now. First I'm gonna get it. So start, got it in. Actually that did a lot of stuff. You see, I'm just showing you the stuff you can do. Let us stop and then I'll show you all the stuff like that. If you press the record button, you can just go and change the time as you want and all that, and then I made all these ones. You can delete one of the things you made down, the effects, and just go to the clock thing and then make it to the time you want to it. Keep recording and just press the record button and then do these effects. If you get the premium version, it will give you all of the effects, and actually it's really good. I recommend you getting it. See, up, down, all of. Okay, let me just get back real quick. 1 second. Just there, so I'll show you something else you didn't see before. 1 second. See the blitzes and stuff, and yeah, this one you didn't see it before. See, this effects you can actually skip on it for a second if you want. You can keep on it and keep doing it. See, if I press on it, it's gonna keep doing it. But it only works with some effects like this one, the one I just showed you. If you press on it, it's gonna do it for the amount of time you want. I don't know if it works for all because I don't have the premium version. Yeah, so I'll just make one. Just make an edit for you to show okay, I'm just done for now. Now it should be saved. Now it's saving. I will show you the video after it saves. Yeah, so here's the video I made it, but I'm not gonna show you the whole part because it's a 1 minute long video. I'm just showing you a bit. Like, this is just an example, guys. You can make it a lot better, even without premium. You can do a lot of stuff, but I'm just showing you an example, you know. So that's how you do it. By the way, there'll be a watermark if you do, but you can cover it up, you know, if you know anything. And I'll make a video on how to cover this markup if you don't if you don't use premium, if you don't have money for it, if you can't, if you don't like want to buy it. I'll show you a way to get the watermark off from editing, but for more effects you have to buy the premium. But for just removing the watermark, next video I'll show you how to remove it. So if you didn't know the app name, I'm gonna say it again. It's called TGM, and I'm gonna leave the link of it in the description. If you want to download it, it's available on iOS and Android. You can download it. Subscribe to me and like the video and share with your friends. Bye.